So, my offer to hold your hand through the beginning, the start, or whatever stage of your spirituality journey, but especially the start, is still up and running for now. Why I created that offer is that I see people in this my time talking with people, offering calls, consultation calls to people from all over the world, both Igbo and not Igbo, Igbo and otherwise, right? Because spirituality is spirituality. So in this time, talking with people, guiding people, giving people their first understanding of what it is that we are doing. I've talked with hundreds of people, had phone calls, hours of calls, if not certainly days of calls, because each call is like hour or more, right? So in this time talking with people, I find out that a lot of people, after months, some people still have not started even even to talking with their spirit. Some people go to Alpha and they don't do the work. And since I'm not in any way committed, you didn't commit me to start chasing you around, to drag you, you know what I'm saying, to be like, to set a reminder and say, yo bro, it's been 2 weeks since you did this stuff, what's up, have you forgotten? Then if I now start hounding you to come and do work that Alpha told you to do, it's not as if I'm begging you for money or that, you know what I'm saying? So it's why, if you want to be a member of my inner circle of people that I hold your hand through the start, you know what I'm saying? Because mbido ya ani esika. The start of crying is hard, but once you start crying, you start wailing. You get me? Yeah. So if you want me to have that relationship with you, if you remember the video, I said give me $1,000 to hold your hand through this guide. So, but the money is not the number one thing. Anybody who's worked with me already know that anything I already do, whether it's to help you with Alpha or whether it's to do the rituals that Alpha brought up, I say pay what you want, because I'm not going to go and be the person that will say, because you did not give me so and so amount, that's your aura, that your spirit dragged you to this point where I came across your timeline. Because of how much, I'll now be like, no, we are not going to do your work. No, nothing like that. So if you know that, so in the same vein, if you know that you would like me to go out of my way to motivate you, to drag you to Mmuo, hit me up now. Hit me up soon. Let's work something out. This offer is not going to be around forever. Obi is not always going to be a boy, whether I'm the most loving person in the world. So hit me up, but no problem, shall ukwa duo geya oda ukwa nkemu erugo ko geya. So tabu bonye jitatabu toto ya yota. So ukwa giruo gi oda bosi eni di goba Mmuo. I dey happy about, say I dey see a lot more people coming up to teach Igbo. I see one dude, Major of Africa or something. Maybe I don't even know if I've not paid too much attention, but he's also talking. I see people who are more bold to now start talking. So I'm happy about that, you know what I'm saying? So anytime that you are ready to realign to yourself, because you are your first spirit, you are your chi, anytime that you decide that you are ready to align, to go back, there's going to be somebody to guide you. But if you know that today is your day, hit me up, make we walk.